What if issuing a cross-border guarantee for your business no longer meant months of waiting for RBI approval? That's exactly what just changed. On January 6, 2026, the Reserve Bank of India rolled out the brand new FEMA Guarantees Regulations, 2026, replacing a framework that was over 2 decades old. This affects anyone in international trade or overseas borrowing. So, what's the big deal? Let's break it down. First, the biggest shift. India has moved from an approval-heavy model to a principle-based system. Earlier, many cross-border guarantees needed case-by-case RBI approvals or fell into confusing gray areas. Now, if your guarantee meets 2 simple conditions, it's automatically permitted. No more waiting in line. Here are those 2 conditions. 1. The underlying transaction must not be prohibited under FEMA. And 2. The guarantor and the borrower must be eligible to lend to and borrow from each other under existing FEMA rules. That's it. 2 clear tests and you're good to go. Second, reporting just got structured and predictable. Every guarantee, whether issued, modified, or invoked, must now be reported quarterly using a simple 4-part form. And here's the best part. If you've missed past filings, there's now a clear late submission fee formula. The formula is simple. LSF equals 7,500 rupees plus 0.025% times the amount times years of delay. You pay a fixed fee, regularize your compliance, and move on. Third, less paperwork where it matters. Trade credit guarantee reporting discontinued from March 2026. That's a real win for MSMEs and importers-exporters. Whether you're a startup founder structuring financing, a CA advising clients, or an MSME owner, this simplifies your life. So here's what you should do right now. Audit your existing guarantees and set up the new reporting system. For a detailed breakdown with all the fine print, read our full article at taxupdate.in, link in the description. And don't forget to consult a qualified CA or FEMA expert for advice specific to your business. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.